The Expert RS 6003 is the gravure solution that converters have been waiting for. This new press integrates flexibility and efficiency into an innovative reduced footprint design, addressing cost-effectively the always changing printing requirements of the flexible packaging market, offering profitable production for short runs upwards. The high-efficiency dryers and short web path design translate into 30% less waste of substrate and consumables than conventional presses, as well as lower energy consumption. The exclusive Flex Trolley, a new design, highly flexible service trolley, lets you choose whether to change the entire inking unit or just the gravure cylinder. A solution with fast job setup and changeovers, making short-run productions profitable. The multi-purpose inking and the high-speed metering roller suit a variety of production requirements across ink types and guarantee high-quality printing with all applications. This printing press reaches production speeds of up to 500 meters per minute, and bidirectional reel splice is fully automatic at machine production speed. Sleeve changes are fast and simple, taking just 30 seconds per print unit. The short web path, job changeover flexibility and highly accurate register control system are just some aspects that make the Expert RS 6003 ideal for BOBST 1 ECG extended color gamut printing. BOBST fully integrated technologies taps and Registron for automatic pre-register setting at start-up and changeovers in less than 4 minutes with under 15 meters of waste per print unit, and for fast register correction during printing. This press is lean and compact. Electrical cabinets are integrated on the upper level, making trolley accessibility, cleaning and maintenance much simpler. The compact hoods design make this press an effective solution for small spaces. The fast installation time is a further benefit of this machine. Operator safety and sustainable operation are a hallmark of BOBST Expert RS 6003, with low noise levels, fume aspiration from below, energy recovery of winders, and eco mode of the dryers. The BOBST Sphere HMI is user-friendly and intuitive for quick and easy setting of new and repeat jobs, minimizing setup time and optimizing uptime. The BOBST Connect services allow you to monitor productivity and efficiency at any time and from any place. And now, if you'd like to see the press in action, visit our Competence Centre at San Giorgio Monferrato, Italia. The Expert RS 6003 is the unbeatable price-performance gravure platform.